Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you 3 types of phone stands that I kind of discovered along the ways. The first one's a very easy one. Once you finish the roll of tape, you can use it as a phone stand. So it's just pretty much already made for you. You just put your phone on top. The only small little downfall is you'll see the two, I guess, hook features on your phone. So it might be blocking a little bit of the screen. But overall it's very sturdy. So while a movie's playing, you just put on that while brushing your teeth, which is kind of handy. And then the next method is using binder clips. This is okay. It's not as stable as I would like. You're probably better just propping it on books, but you're just gonna take 2 binder clips and then kind of move it around until you get the perfect angle for your phone. So you just clip the two together, and then you just lift one of the clip ear parts up, the metal parts. And it's kind of hard to do with just one hand and one hand recording, but yep, after you just move it around, there you have it. The last way is the easiest, just buying one from Daiso, a dollar store, but I've rarely seen these anymore. These were actually designed for phones, so it's the most stable option, and you get the full screen, which is nice. And I was very surprised with the dollar store item. It's really sturdy metal, and I quite enjoy using this as well. But there you have it, 3 really simple phone stands. I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit the like button and hopefully subscribe to my channel. Thanks, bye.